everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. I want to try something a little different, starting with the basis of a cow print tumbler, but this is going to look way different than any cows, including the rainbow cow print tumbler I did a while back. This is going to be different because we are going to start with black glitter. I have a 30-ounce thick here from Makerflow. I sanded it, washed it, spray painted it black, and it is ready to go. This is going to be the epoxy method of applying glitter. I'm going to mix up a few milliliters of Speedy Petey, links to everything below, and then I'm going to put on a milliliter or two. Stretch it real thin. It's just being used for its adhesiveness, not for coating the tumbler in epoxy like we will later on. And then I'm going to sprinkle on Desire from Mr. Nola's Glitter. This is a beautiful black flash. It is a 0.015 cut. So that's going to be our glitter base. Let's get started on this part of the video. And we're back. Okay, so after the epoxy resin that I used as the adhesive set up about an hour and a half later, I took this outside and I sprayed it with a layer of matte clear Rust-Oleum 2X spray to make sure that the glitter stayed put. And now we are going to do something very similar to the cow print method, but with a black base. And to make sure what we're going to do shows up, we're going to use chameleon or color shifting micas. These are from the Alexis company. I will link to everything below. I have already created mica holes with the micas they sent me, the Chameleon mica powders. So we have these micas in powder form and we have them mixed with 99% isopropyl alcohol. I did a video about how I take the micas and make the mica holes with them. I will link to that below and up here in the corner. I was going to do two separate tumblers, but I'll be honest with you, I don't feel like doing that because I don't really know how this is going to go. So that's why I picked a 30 thick, is I'm going to basically use half the tumbler to put the mica holes on, the color shifting mica holes, and the other half to take a brush and put powdered chameleon micas on. And we're going to see A, how both of those things look, and B, if we like one better than the other, and then maybe in the future I will take the preferred method and make an entire cup with it. What I'm hoping is that they both look cool and slightly different, because this one obviously will be conveyed by alcohol and this one will be brushed on. So let's just get going. Now I'm not putting Aleene's Tack It Over and Over or any sort of adhesive on here because I believe that just having the crunchy raw glitter is going to catch mica powder and hold it. That's the premise I'm going with here. Let's see if I'm right. Yep. That's what it's going to do. I'm just going to save you and me some time, and I'm going to open these up. Go back over some of these. I didn't want to use too much of any one of them and have there not be enough room for all. So now, of course, I have extra space to fill in, so we'll just go around and do that. That looks pretty interesting. Now let's see what happens when we use the exact same micas but mixed with alcohol. Hopefully this will be enough in focus that you can see what's going on here. Much, 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 much more intense colors with the alcohol. It's the same exact mica powder we use down here. All right, it's pretty well covered. Obviously, you don't have to cover the whole thing. I'm just, again, experiment time. All right, so I'm going to let the alcohol dry, which shouldn't take very long. I'm going to spray the whole thing again with matte clear spray from Rust-Oleum. Obviously, any brand is fine. I happen to have Rust-Oleum. And then I'm going to put some resin on it, so I'll bring you back for the resin part.